Jazzy. Jazzy, come over here. Jazzy, come here. Ouch. Jazzy, if you love mommy, raise your hand. If you love Jarrell, raise your hand. If you love Andre, raise your hand. You do? You love us? If you want to go bye-bye, raise your hand. You don't want to go bye-bye? If you want to go to sleep. Jazzy? Jazzy, pay attention. You want to go to sleep? Raise your hand. No? You want to go bye-bye? Do you? Is that a yes or no? Raise your hand if you want to go bye-bye. You raise your hand? Raise your hand if you want to go bye-bye. All right. You want to go bye-bye. That's a good girl.